Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to renew your books. First of all, go to bit.ly/EJKingIC. When it pops up here, you're going to go to the middle, which is check out a book from the E.J. King Information Center. And as soon as this pops up, we're going to go to the top right, go to log in, sign in with your Google credentials, your school Google credentials, not other Google credentials. That would be different, don't you know? So I'm picking my school Google credentials, you see. Once this loads up and I'm logged in, I can see that I'm logged in over here. And if I go over here to this three-lined thingamajiggy, I can go to my checkouts, and any book I want to renew, I can renew. I'm going to renew, say, Mudbound, and now it's switched order. I think I might also renew Echo, and you can see that the dates have changed. Now those are due much later. That's all there is to it. Enjoy. Thank you.